Hello, as a beginner of spoken English, when you are trying to do self studies and you are not getting anyway how to do self studies, I am going to tell you how you will do the same. Suppose you are going through a street and you are watching so many things. Um, you try to frame sentences by using those things. What are you watching in front of you, behind you, and surrounding you? You are watching. It's a street of market. So many things will be there. You will tell people are walking on the road. They are walking fast. Cars, buses, and vehicles are moving from here to there. Um, Cows are also walking on the street. Um, Vendors are also walking, and some beggars are also there begging. And you are watching some vegetable sellers are selling vegetable. People are talking with each other. Some street vendors are there, they are selling some food. um, you are watching it now. You watch them and frame sentences and you think it in English inside your mind, and you try to speak through your mouth. Like this you can do self studies. It is an easy way to improve your English, and I hope it will help you very much, isn't it?